Hey guys, this is Mark with PT Final Exam. We get lots of questions here at PT Final Exam about what course should I take. Okay, so I want to go over a little bit about our courses and just kind of give you an idea of which one's a good one for you to take. So we're going to start from the top and work our way down. Okay, so we have courses for both PT and PTA. Okay, so we've got programs that we can go through. We can either do individual programs where you can jump in with a cohort. You can jump in and do a class on your own. We've also got courses that we can do for your whole class. So if you've got a group of 20, 25 in your cohort, we can definitely do a private cohort for you. It's much cheaper to do a cohort than it is to do individual because we can group you all together. Now, we've got multiple different options, and our cohort packages will follow the same thing. So the courses we do, depending on which one you want as a cohort, we can go through that. So if you are looking at our VIP class, so our VIP class, this is our premium big class, and this is going to be where you get much, much, much more content. All right. So if you're looking for all the content out there, the VIP class is the one to get into. All right. So the VIP class, there's lots of pre-recorded content, lots of live interaction as well, where you can work through things with Will, who's our founder. And he does this class personally. So Will's class is the VIP. So if you really want everything there, every system built into the exam. So going from musculoskeletal to cardio, down to some of the smaller systems for like GIGU, Integ. They're all in there in this VIP class. Okay, so focusing on everything that you need to do. So if you are someone who is needing remediation, this is a great class for you. If you are someone that just feels like you need a little bit of an extra push, this is a class as well that's going to be really helpful for you. I would also recommend this class if you're foreign trained. Okay, if you're foreign trained, I would definitely jump into the VIP. Being foreign trained myself, there is a very big difference in how we do standardized testing and how we look at these different things outside of the US. And just getting your mindset around standardized testing is difficult enough. Plus the content, that's going to be the one you really wanted to be jumping into. Okay, but this is everything. All right. So if you want everything we've got, all the content we've got, the VIP is the one you want to get into. The next classes then are down to our premium classes. So the premium packages, there's a premium class for PT and a premium class for PTA. So within this class, we are going to be going through these systems. So we're going to go through a cardio system, musculoskeletal system, neuro system. We're also going to do non-systems, and we're going to do other systems. Okay, so this is a 6-week class, and we go through each of these phases. So within this class, we do a topic a week. So for instance, we'll start with cardio, then we'll jump onto musculoskeletal, then we'll jump onto neuro. The thing you'll get with this, you get our workbook. And this is a synchronized and asynchronized class where you've got lots of live content, or you got live content and you get lots of pre-recorded content. So we're going to be, during the week, we're going to be giving you activity to do, trying to show you a few videos within what you're doing, then going into like pre-recorded content where you can supplement some of your activity and your studying. And then we do a live session where we really talk about the key differences between the classes, or the systems. We talk about tricky topics, do some practice questions within this live session as well. So if you want some live interaction and you want a bit more content, so within more systems, so musculoskeletal, cardio, neuro, non-systems, other systems, this is the class you're going to want to jump into for that. Okay. And then we jump onto our crash courses. So our crash courses are exactly what they say. They are very fast and just a lot of information thrown at you related to the big 3 systems. So the big 3 systems, musculoskeletal, cardio, neuro, that is going to take up a big chunk of the exam. Musculoskeletal, cardio, and neuro. So they're the biggest sections on the test, and they are the ones that are going to get tested the most. So what we've done is we put together a library of videos for you guys to go on, access, and watch these things to really supplement your studying. And this course is really designed to be utilized in the final few weeks before your test. So if you are getting ready for your test, there's also always this anxiety and stress within the last month building up to the exam of what should I be studying when, what should I be doing at this point, especially like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 1 week out from the exam. What should I really be focusing on right now? At that point, you really should be focusing on the big systems. So musculoskeletal, cardio, neuro, because that is what's going to get tested the most. So we've designed this course to give you a bunch of content pre-recorded that you can go on and access and get as much from those as you can. Now, each week, in the final 3 weeks, building up to the course with the building up to the exam with the crash course, we do a live Q&A session. So there'll be a live Q&A session per week where you can sign on with everyone else who's going to be setting up to take the exam. Say it was October, January, July, whenever you're going to be doing it. You're able to go on with a bunch of other people who are taking the test at the same time, and then we'll go through practice questions. So we'll do a cardio one, we'll do a neuro one, we'll do a musculoskeletal one, and we'll go through some practice questions. We'll break them down. We'll make sure that you're really familiar with the content as you're going through. But the primary thing is going through these kind of bite-sized chunks of topics. So there's sessions on there about EKGs. There's sessions on there about spinal cord injuries. So that's how this one is designed. So once again, if you're looking for everything we've got and you want something that's really going to be got much more live interaction, plus all of our pre-recorded stuff, the VIP class is the one for you. The premium classes, it's a slightly longer program. So it's a longer program and get you those like more systems. So the non-systems, the other systems, and then the crash course is the one that's really responsible for those big three and what you should be focusing on in the final weeks. Now, if you are looking at our premium class or our VIP class, the crash course is included in those courses. So if you're wanting like, oh, the crash course sounds really good, I don't want to buy both. If you go for a VIP or a premium class, the crash course comes with those classes as well. The other big thing with the bigger classes, so the premium classes or the VIP classes, is our exam bundle. So the exam bundle does come with that exam, with that program. So you can have all of the exams we have, and we'll give you access to all of those different things. If you are in the crash course, the exam bundle is going to be a slight upcharge. But we can do a discount on that, and there will be a link and an ability to get those exams with the crash course as well. So they are our different courses. So if you're looking for everything plus the crash course, VIP premium, if you're looking for just the crash course, you want that big review right at the end, then the crash course is the one to go for. All right. So that's our courses. If there's any questions, please just submit a question online and we can go through those. All right. Thanks for choosing PT Final Exam, and we'll see you in the courses.